In level 15 of the global local activity, we move away from the one back kind of task that we had before, and we go back to our queues, those pre-queues that tell us whether we need to attend to the global shape or to the local shape. We're now back to our original queues, the concrete queues, the one that show the relevant shape. So in this case, it's a large or a small seashell. But importantly here, the queue means the opposite of what it looks like. So if we have a large seashell as a queue, as a pre-queue, that means we need to monitor the small, the local shapes. And if we have a small seashell as a pre-queue, that means we need to attend to the large global shape. So the target is still to respond, or the task is still to identify whether either the global or the local, according to the queue, is a seashell. So same response as before. If it is a seashell, we say yes with the L key on the keyboard or the corresponding key on your tablet. And if there's no seashell on that level, then we use the A key on the keyboard or the corresponding key on the tablet. So again, we're using queues here, but the queues mean the opposite of what they are. So if it's a large queue, it means we need to look for a small seashell. If it's a small queue, we need to look for a large seashell. So the critical thing here is we need to reverse what it is that we do with those queues. Let's see how this works. Or a large queue means small local elements, and in this case, the small elements are seashells, so it's yes. Small queue now, that means large shape. The large shape isn't a seashell, so we say no. Large queue again, that means we're looking for the small, the little elements, and they are seashells, so we say yes. Etc. Small queue means we need to look for a large seashell. The large shape is a seashell, so we say yes. So again, it's exactly the same as we had when we first had the pre-queues, but the queues themselves mean the opposite. So a large queue means small shapes, small queue means large shapes.